Indianapolis police helping us out here. Well, welcome to Shelby Exotics YouTube channel. If you know where my truck, trailer, and UTV are, we're fucking coming for you. Cocksuckers. Don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm good with it. As long as I think the police officer has to actually let us record.
They usually do have body cameras and stuff on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but those disappear when they're neat.
Yeah. I mean, if they're an honest cop, no, you know.
Hey, coming in? Yeah. Howdy. How's it going? Somebody said that they heard a wrecker about 4:30.
This is craziness.
And where'd you park it?
I was out on, I don't know my directions right now. There is a towing sign out there on that post.
Welcome to Shelby Exotics, everybody. This is what happens when your stuff gets stolen. Meet with the police. Just to give you a little background, we arrived here at the Hampton Inn on Southport Road, just south of Indianapolis, last night at about 2 a.m. And somewhere between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m., our truck, trailer, and UTV, the Commander XT1000R, were all stolen from the Hampton Inn here on Southport Road by the McFarland Farms, which is this big housing development over here. Just to show you guys, last night, also in the Motel 6 parking lot behind me, right here, a gentleman had his Tahoe stolen, and it was actually caught on tape. So you guys are going to see that footage right now.
See? Black jacket with red on the top. Little dust bucket piece of shit.
Of how quickly a vehicle can be stolen. This was a late 90s, early 2000 Tahoe, which was stolen from the Motel 6. Ours was right here, parked under this light, locked and loaded. It was an F-250 2005 black with a, it's two-tone black and gray. I'm going to put some video on it here. If you know any information at all about this, please contact the Indianapolis Police Department. There is a case file open on this, and I'm going to throw the Tahoe video in here as well that the gentleman gave me that was caught on the Motel 6 camera of just how quickly a vehicle can be stolen. So guys, keep your stuff safe. But in cases like this, I don't know what to tell you to do. We parked under a light, everything was locked up, secured, and now it's gone. So if you do have any information, again, call the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department or go to www.indy.gov, and they have a silent observer link on there as well if you choose to remain anonymous. But we'd appreciate any help and support that you guys always give us here, so we do appreciate that. Talk to you soon. Take to get the job done around here, right? Got it. I don't know. So what's this thing? An AWD? What's an AWD?
Two-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
No,
Oh.
two-wheel drive. Fire Sportsman. Is it 5?
All right.
Yeah. I'm trying.
Oh, you were right. It's on your computer. You set it up on the
Oh, yeah.
on the box.
What are you doing there, Doofy?
So I don't lose it.
Checking fuses. We look like we're geared up.
Hell yeah. Huh.
Yeah, it don't look right. But there's no splices in the line. Last time I used this trailer, it worked. It worked just fine. How's your fuselage, Bubba? Trailer tow logic.
That one was good.
Trailer tow lights right there. Right there. Park lamps.
Yeah, check that one.
You did? That one was good?
Good.
We're not getting any lights back there though.
I'll bet you it's the ground.
I bet it is too.
I bet you if we took that wire,
You want to splice that wire and
go right into the green.
go right into the green, give her a go?
Yeah.
What do now?
People are filthy.
People are filthy. Well, we were just getting ready to leave here this morning, and our truck, trailer, quad, UTV, everything was parked right there. It's gone. We coming for him, aren't we, Mullet? We find you. So we are waiting for the cops to show up, and we'll see what happens. 25 years of travel for business, almost on a weekly basis. I've never had anything like this happen before. We're trying to scope out the CCTV cameras. Somebody got this on video with all these hotels and stuff around here, and we'll find you.